Warm welcome to everyone on International Yoga Day, 21st June 2021. Nandip Seva Mandal's pre-primary, primary and secondary English medium school, Karave, Navi Mumbai celebrates
Good morning,
International
respected sir,
Yoga
teachers
Day.
and my all dear friends.
Welcome
This is Sita Moria
everyone.
on behalf of Class 10 Gyandip School. Today I am going to present a small speech on Yoga Day. Yoga is a journey of the self, through the self to the self. Its aim is to purify our mind, body and soul. It maintains a connection between ourself and Mother Nature. Due to the crisis of COVID-19, this year, International Yoga Day will be celebrated on digital media platform on the theme of Be with Yoga, Be at Home. Yoga itself plays a significant role in boosting our immunity and in curing respiratory disorders. My dear friends, our soul is our best friend. We should treat it with care and feed it with love. Make yoga part of your life.
Good afternoon, sir and teachers. My name is Simran Santosh Yogi. My school name is Nandip Seva Mandal English School. I am studying 6th class, Division A. I am going to speak on yoga. Yoga is the best exercise for our body and mind. Yoga has many posture and breathing exercise. We celebrate International Yoga Day on 21st June. Yoga makes immune system stronger. It helps to secure many health problems. It increases focus and concentration. Surya Namaskar is a complete body exercise.
I am Falim Revak. Few lines on yoga. Yoga is an art. It proud space to mind and connects the mind to soul. Yoga privates the body. It relaxes the mind. Yoga makes the immune system stronger.
Yoga Day. What is yoga? Yoga is an ancient activity and discipline. It is related to achieving physical, mental, and spiritual health. It includes various postures, chants, mantras, and meditation. It also includes breathing exercise. It helps to relax and calm the mind and soul. It helps to reduce the daily stress level and live a healthier life.
respected principal, teacher, and my dear friends. Myself, Unnati Wankhede. I study in 4th class. Yoga is an ancient activity and discipline. It is a related achieving physical, mental, wellness, and spiritual health.
मामा मेरी रिकॉर्डिंग करो, मैं कर देता हूँ।
चालू है रिकॉर्डिंग।
Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Sania Beg from standard 10th Nandip School, and I am going to say a few lines on International Yoga Day. Yoga is a mental, physical and spiritual practice which helps in attaining a great mind, body and soul. The word yoga has descended from Sanskrit language which refers to the union. Yoga has originated in ancient India and dates back to the pre-Vedic times. Yoga helps fight stress, improves immunity system, flexibility, health and overall personality. A study shows that around 16 million people in US practice yoga. The 6 branches of yoga are Raja Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Janani Yoga, Karma Yoga, Mantra Yoga and Hatha Yoga. Pranayam is a kind of yoga dealing with breathing exercise. Yoga Sutras of Patanjali contains a collection of 196 sutras on the practice of yoga. International Yoga Day comes on 21st June to spread the awareness of yoga and its benefits. Yoga is not just another form of exercise, but it is an approach well-being of mankind. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, honorable principal, respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Sakshi Deepak Singh from standard 8th class. Teacher name is Rama Pakuria. So today I am presenting a speech on International Yoga Day. In India, to make the culture and tradition of yoga alive, the International Yoga Day is celebrated and every year on 21 June. It's not just a physical exercise where that the person does twists, turns, stretches, breaths, but it only a complex exercise linked to the betterment of the overall metabolism humans.
Hello there, my name is Siksha and I am giving a speech on International Yoga Day. International Day of Yoga was celebrated throughout the world for first time on 21st of June in 2015. The declaration was done after the call by the Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi to the United Nations General Assembly on 27th of September in 2014 during.
Good evening, dear respected teachers and principal and everyone. I am Khushbu Gupta from 7th standard. Today I am going to speak on Yoga Day. Yoga is a beautiful physical, mental and spiritual practice that is adopted in India. It is related to making a healthy body and a healthy mind.
Yoga Day was started in 2015 by the genuine effort made by the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi, and it is celebrated every year on 21st June. Yoga was that medicine that has power to cure any disease.
Hello everyone, I am Sonali Evle from standard 10th B. Today is International Yoga Day. Yoga is an ancient art based on a harmonizing system of development for the body, mind and spirit. The continued practice of yoga will lead you to a sense of peace and well-being. Yoga is not a religion, it is a way of living whose aim is a healthy mind in a healthy body. Thank you.